Why do we sometimes act without knowing why? Why do hidden fears, dreams, and childhood experiences influence our behavior? According to Sigmund Freud, much of our mind operates beneath conscious awareness. Let's explore the 10 most important questions about Freud's famous psychoanalytic theory. Who was Sigmund Freud? Sigmund Freud, 1856 to 1939, was an Austrian neurologist and the founder of psychoanalysis. He revolutionized psychology by proposing that unconscious thoughts, desires, and childhood experiences strongly influence human behavior. The mind is like an iceberg. It floats with 1/7 of its bulk above water. Sigmund Freud. What is Freud's psychoanalytic theory? Freud's psychoanalytic theory suggests that human behavior is largely driven by unconscious motives, desires, memories, and conflicts. Many thoughts and feelings remain hidden from awareness but continue to influence actions and decisions. What is the unconscious mind? The unconscious mind contains thoughts, memories, fears, and desires that are outside conscious awareness. Freud believed these hidden mental processes significantly shape personality, emotions, dreams, and behavior. The unconscious is the true psychic reality. Sigmund Freud. What is the iceberg model of the mind? Freud compared the mind to an iceberg. Conscious mind, thoughts we are aware of. Preconscious mind, information that can be recalled. Unconscious mind, hidden desires and memories. Most mental activity occurs below the surface, just like most of an iceberg lies underwater.
What are the id, ego, and superego?
According to Sigmund Freud, the human personality is made up of 3 important parts: the id, the ego, and the superego. The id is the primitive part of the mind. It seeks immediate pleasure and wants its desires satisfied right away. The ego is the rational part. It helps us make realistic decisions and balances our desires with the demands of the real world. The superego represents our moral values, conscience, and sense of right and wrong. Freud believed that a healthy personality depends on maintaining a balance between these 3 powerful forces. When the id, ego, and superego work together effectively, a person can think, act, and behave in a balanced and socially acceptable way. And that balance is the key to a healthy personality.
What is the pleasure principle? The id operates according to the pleasure principle, seeking instant satisfaction of needs and desires. It wants pleasure and avoids pain without considering consequences or social rules. What is the reality principle? The ego follows the reality principle. It balances the demands of the id with the realities of the external world, helping people make practical and socially acceptable decisions. What are defense mechanisms? Defense mechanisms are unconscious strategies used by the ego to reduce anxiety and protect self-esteem. Examples include repression, denial, projection, rationalization, displacement. These mechanisms help people cope with psychological stress. Why did Freud emphasize childhood experiences? Freud believed that early childhood experiences play a crucial role in shaping adult personality. Unresolved conflicts during development can influence behavior, relationships, and emotional well-being throughout life. Childhood is destiny. Sigmund Freud. What is Freud's greatest contribution to psychology? Freud's greatest contribution was introducing the idea that unconscious mental processes influence behavior. This transformed how psychologists understand personality, emotions, dreams, and psychological disorders. Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory changed the way we think about the human mind. His ideas about the unconscious, the id, ego, superego, and defense mechanisms continue to shape modern psychology and psychotherapy. Do you think our unconscious mind controls more of our behavior than we realize? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more Psychology Explained videos.